Hello customers, do you want a cutting stones or you want a flat stone? You see, just look at the beauty of a cutting stones. So nice and beautiful, you see. Wow. And this also is a beauty of a flat stones. So nice and beautiful, you see. All the time I want to make a video for you to see how we started and how the work is going and how it's going again. This one you know wash them yet. So we are here today to wash the stones. You see, this is a flat stone for your house decoration, as you can see. You see, if you are watching me right now and you build your face so in Ghana here that you don't want to be painting again, I beg, flat stone is good for you. This one the cost day down. Once you feed these cutting stones on your building, it is a forever. It is a forever thing. No extra cost in the future. You see, this one we know wash am yet too. If you wash am, you go see the beauty they click. But all the stones in the stones on shiny. And I boy, all the stones as like a blinky, as like back oko. Yeah, any mejuma any mejuma kasa. Oh, chase. Aha. Yeah, any mejuma ye bo juma mo ho ni beji kama say. Infa na ofi ho. Sunyana na kumasi, ana akra, ana tema, infa na ofi ho ofre enchi me ba juma pa ma. To san frɛ o chase juma pa nkwa na ye o hia fefefe oh we ni na nti na me say first Steven no say the beto matter no ko nipa no ase juma ma nkwa de fa ma na juma pa ma o chase o so ade na forever on penti hwenu obe ya fa de no forever fefefe o hia fefefe ya na same so nice and beautiful, you see. So whatever I did, give us a call. We are ready to work across the country. Wow.